Struggling to blow up on YouTube even after grinding out hundreds of videos with zero traction? Then look at this. This absolute legend uploaded just 30 videos, and he's crushing it with explosive views and fat stacks of dollars. We're talking long-form English masterpieces. Every single view is pouring in from powerhouse English-speaking countries. Check these views. Boom! 2 months ago, he dropped the video, 1 million views. 1 month back, 3.5 million plus 192,000 and climbing. This channel is 100% monetized and dominating. Daily views? Let's go! 54,000, 33,000, 43,000, 38,000, averaging a whopping 35,000 views per day. If he's pulling 35,000 views daily and we conservatively slam a $2 RPM, this beast is banking $70 every single day. This powerhouse is pumping out mind-blowing, bizarre historical sagas about ancient kings. One emperor gets hit with black magic and his face morphs overnight. Another gets divine wrath unleashed from the heavens. Wild curse after wild curse. Pure historical fire with jaw-dropping twists. Now, what's the secret sauce inside these videos? Pure genius, stunning, bizarre visualizations, insane images perfectly matched to the history, paired with electrifying voiceover narration. But here's the million-dollar question. How do you snag a killer script like this or unearth these epic, bizarre histories? I've got your back. I'm solving this right now. No pre-made prompts. I'm unleashing the exact method to craft your own scripts today. Before we dive deeper, if you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And if this video ignites even one spark of inspiration, slam that like button. Let's fuel this fire together. First, we're building your unstoppable script. Step 1. Finding ideas. Scout the target channel like a pro. Analyze what's exploding and why. Head straight to the channel you want to dominate like. Click into their popular videos tab. Open the top video, the view monster, copy that fire title, paste it into Notepad, your command center. Scroll down to the description, hit more. At the bottom, show transcript. Click it. Boom! Full script on the right side. Copy every word, the dialogues, the magic. Paste it under the title in Notepad. Repeat the attack. Grab another mega popular video, copy title, paste in Notepad, show transcript, copy script, paste below. Now, transform these into your blueprint. We're feeding them to a chatbot powerhouse using Google for ultimate speed. Search Google AI Studio. Jump in, grab the tiny prompt for my video description, analyzing prompt from here to there. Copy it, paste it into the prompt box. Hit run. Google AI Studio analyzes like lightning, then delivers 10 killer titles and 10 epic ideas for your videos. Check these titles, they'll blow your mind. Let me read one. The Queen Who Faked Her Own Death and Why She Did It. A queen staging her demise? Drama, mystery, viral gold. You can build an empire on this. Pick any title that sets your soul on fire. Step 2. Write a killer script. To forge the full script, back to my description, second mini prompt for scripting. Copy it, paste into AI Studio's lower box. Leave a spot for your title, copy your chosen one, paste it in, run. Google AI Studio crafts a complete 6 to 7 minute script, ready to dominate. Here, 6.5 minutes of pure gold. But it adds extras. We want narration only for voiceover glory. In the lower box, type "Only narration needed." Enter. Boom, clean, powerful narration from intro to finale. Copy it all, paste it into Notepad, delete headings, format it into a sleek script, and tweak it with your creativity like extra sauce. Step 3. Create an epic voiceover. Now, generate that epic voiceover. We're using Microsoft Clipchamp, a beast of a tool. Click on Create Video, record and create, text to speech, paste script on the right, select a killer voice, hit save, voiceover generation ignites. Download it, your audio weapon is ready. Step 4. Stunning visualization for our masterpiece. Hunt ancient, matching images that scream history. Copy your full script, storm into ChatGPT, paste the script, add the mini prompt from my description, bottom one, prompt for images, copy it, paste with your script, hit enter. ChatGPT explodes with perfect image prompts. Copy the first. Search Google, ImageFX, or pickanymon.com. I swear by Pickanymon for insane quality. On Pick Anymon, paste prompt, select 16:9 ratio for long-form glory, generate, image creation blasts off, stunning result. Repeat for every prompt, generate, download all images. Step 5, editing like a boss. Lock in, this is where magic becomes legend. Add effects for that ancient vibe and animate like a pro. I'm using Wondershare Filmora, you pick your favorite editor. From Clipchamp, grab your voiceover, drag to timeline first. Number your images exactly. Match ChatGPT order, rename files 1, 2, 3 for zero confusion. Drag each image one by one onto timeline, cover the entire voiceover. Grab each image, zoom in slightly, make them pop and flow. Reduce saturation for vintage fade, old era realism. Boost colors just enough. Add effect, darkens edges for cinematic power, edges go blackish, looks epic. Apply to every image. Lower saturation plus darken effect equals time machine vibe. Zoom timeline, playhead to image start, add keyframe in Filmora, every editor has it. Move playhead to end, zoom in more, keyframe added, smooth animation. Play, glorious motion. Add keyframes for pans left and right, up and down, zoom out and in, unleash creativity. Open effects, drop smooth transitions between every image. Effects tab, search old video or black noise or old film. Drag to timeline, stretch full length, ancient film grit activated, essential for this niche. Background music, grab from YouTube audio library. Drag to timeline, lower volume so voiceover roars clear. Export highest resolution, download to phone. Your masterpiece is alive. If this video fired you up, smash like, share with your crew. Let's spread the revolution.
Children, not the innocent, playful children of our daydreams, but miniature monarchs burdened with crowns, steeped in ancient rituals, and surrounded by vipers vying for control. Forget everything you think you know about fairy tales, because behind the gilded carriages and lavish feasts lies a dark, untold story, the secret society of child kings. A world of twisted power, bizarre ceremonies, and stolen childhoods, where innocence is a dangerous liability. Prepare to delve into the hidden history textbooks dare not reveal. Hit subscribe, because the truth is far more disturbing than any fiction. From ancient Egypt to Victorian England, the pages of history are dotted with the names of boy kings and girl queens descending to the throne before they could even read. But who really ruled? The answer is rarely simple and almost always sinister. Take Tutankhamun, the boy pharaoh of Egypt. He became king at the tender age of 9. While his golden mask portrays an image of divine authority, Tutankhamun was a puppet manipulated by powerful advisors who steered the kingdom through turbulent times. But what were their true motives? Were they protecting the young king or exploiting his innocence for their own gain? Fast forward to 17th century France. Louis XIV inherited the throne at the age of 4. His mother, of Austria, served as regent, but the real power lay with Cardinal Mazarin, a cunning politician who shaped the young king's mind and secured his dynasty. But at what cost? Mazarin's iron grip sparked rebellions and nearly toppled the French monarchy, leaving a young Louis to learn a harsh lesson: trust no one.